In today's video, I'm going to teach you the Salesforce Admin Training for beginners. We'll walk through getting into Trailhead Academy, finding the right learning path, and understanding 2 key courses you'll start with. Follow along, and you'll be ready to begin your admin journey with confidence. First, log in to Trailhead Academy. Open your browser, head to the Trailhead Academy homepage, and sign in with your Salesforce credentials. Once you're on the home screen, take a second to confirm you're in the correct profile and language for your region, so your results match what you'll see here. You'll find a prominent search bar at the top of the page. That's where we'll begin. Next, in the search box, type Admin Beginner. This brings up the Salesforce Admin Training for Beginners learning path. This path is designed to help you manage, customize, and optimize Salesforce without writing code. Think of the admin role as the bridge between business needs and technical solutions. You'll shape how teams track data, automate processes, and deliver great user experiences. Open the Learning Path overview and skim the description so you know what skills you'll build and how the modules fit together. If filters are available, keep the language set to English and sort by relevance to surface the official modules first. From those results, open Set up the Lightning Service Console, course code ASC002. This course focuses on configuring the Lightning Service Console so support agents can work faster and smarter. You'll learn how to create or customize a console app, add utilities like history or notes to the utility bar, and organize tabs so agents can manage multiple records at once. Expect to explore features such as split view, workspace tabs and sub-tabs, and key productivity tools. The goal is to design a console layout that reduces clicks, keeps context visible, and shortens handle time. As you review the course page, note any prerequisites and estimated time so you can plan your learning session effectively. Then, open Get Started with Case Management in Service Cloud, course code ASC001. This course introduces the core building blocks of customer support in Salesforce. You'll get familiar with the case object, learn how cases are created and routed, and see how assignment and escalation rules help the right teams act quickly. You'll also explore standard fields, queues, and key milestones so you can track progress from intake to resolution. By the end, you'll understand how to set up a structured case lifecycle that improves response times and customer satisfaction. When you're ready, enroll and begin with the first unit, moving at a steady pace and practicing as you go. That's it for this quick start. Save your place in Trailhead Academy and continue through the admin beginner path to build a strong foundation. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.